Welcome back to my channel Only Bio, presenting up the MCQs from the chapter Circulation. Friends, I hope you are following up the series. So let's solve the MCQs from 21 to 25 and get ready for all the competitive exams as well as the board exams. Question number 21. Glutathione, that is GSH, is present in high concentration in RBCs and performs the major function of dash. A. Reducing agent. B. Oxidizing agent. C. Enzyme cofactor. D. Oxygen coupler. And the correct answer for this question is C. Enzyme cofactor. So glutathione is present in high concentration in RBCs and it acts as an enzyme cofactor. Question number 22. RBCs when immersed in 1.2% saline solution and observed under a microscope show dash. A. Bursting. B. Shrinkage. C. Intact round cells. D. Bulging. And the correct answer for this question is B. Shrinkage. So when the RBCs are immersed in 1.2% saline solution, under the microscope they appear to be shrinked. Question number 23. In an undamaged blood vessel, conversion of prothrombin to thrombin is prevented by dash. A. Fibrinogen. B. Calcium. C. Factor 7. D. Heparin. And the correct answer for this question is D. Heparin. Friends, the lining of the undamaged blood vessels is going to be definitely smooth, and this won't promote the cell platelets or the cells of the blood vessel itself to rupture. A substance, heparin, is present in low concentration in the blood, and this does not allow the blood to clot when it is flowing within the blood vessels. Heparin is synthesized by the mast cells of the connective tissue and also to some extent by the liver. So heparin prevents the conversion of prothrombin into thrombin and fibrinogen into fibrin. So these two substances are, like essential for the blood clotting. So the correct answer here is heparin. Question number 24. Majority of plasma proteins are synthesized in dash. A. Bone marrow. B. Liver. C. Blood. D. Spleen. And the correct answer for this question is B. Liver. So majority of the plasma proteins are synthesized in the liver. Question number 25. In a mammal, lymphatic vessels possess dash. A series of valves that facilitate flow in one direction. B. A pumping organ known as the lymphobursae. C. Immature RBCs which enter the bloodstream after maturation. D. Connective tissue, smooth muscle and endothelium like that in veins. And the correct answer for this question is A. So in a mammal, lymphatic vessels possess a series of valves that facilitate the flow in one direction. Friends, I'm sure the series will help you. Your comments are definitely welcome. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new to it and hit the bell icon. Keep studying with me. Thank you.